Hello, welcome to Cyber Mutation. So now let's see that how you can set up your Kali Linux in Windows operating system. For that we need two things. First is VirtualBox. So you go on to virtualbox.org and over here you can see you just have to click over here and download your Windows host. If you have a Mac operating system, then you can use UTM tool for VirtualBox setup. I guess VirtualBox is paid in Mac, so you can use UTM, which is a good alternative for Mac users. But in Windows, you can continue with Windows host. Another thing we need is we need Kali Linux operating system. So go on to download get Kali, and over here you have to select virtual machines images. If you could install images also, then you can set up an operating system in VirtualBox, but it will take more time and some more input from your side to set up. While if you download virtual machine images, then it will directly set up an operating system for you. So when you go on to this virtual machines, you can download this VirtualBox 2.7 GB and it will look something like this. And over here you just have to once you have downloaded this, it will take a lot of time because the file is big, but once you have downloaded it, just double click over here and it will automatically set up a virtual machine for you. So I already have a virtual machine set up, so I'm cancelling the process. Once you double click on it, it will automatically set up this operating system for you. Just let Kali load and it will automatically start. So we wait for the boot up process to complete. You can see it has a login screen. So default password of this operating system is Kali and Kali. Confused, don't worry, it is Kali and you will be into the system. Now there are a few things, like if you want full screen, for example, you can see that it feels like you are into Windows and then you are using Kali. You can just do right control and F. For VirtualBox, right side control key is host key, so you can press right control and press right control plus F and you will switch to this. And if you click right control and F again, then it will be a small screen. If you want to see settings, then go right control and S. So it will open settings window of VirtualBox for you. So I hope it is easy and understanding for you, and you can see your files and other stuff over here. I hope this installation process is clear. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the one live session you get while buying the course.